Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below. And press the bell icon for latest notification for out latest videos. Dogs are such adorable creatures, and it is their extremely friendly nature coupled with unmatched loyalty that makes these animals a favorite domestic pet. Knowing how to draw a dog is not really a big challenge. It involves basic steps to get started, and over time these steps can be improved to make it much more realistic. Step 1. Orient yourself with features. Take a picture of a dog's front and draw a vertical line to divide the dog's face in half, a vertical line through the eyes, two vertical lines to represent the top and bottom of the nose, and a vertical line to represent the top of his head and his mouth. Learning to draw a dog begins with this basic sketch so that we know where to place our eyes, nose, and mouth. This will also help us ensure that the dog's characteristics are perfectly aligned. Step 2. Draw a rough sketch. Now that we have the basic outline as the preliminary step in how to draw a dog, we will now use slightly drawn curved lines to represent the animal's eyes, muzzle, ears, nose, and coat. Dogs' eyes are drawn in circles with shaded irises, and use curved lines to outline the shape of the muzzle. Draw two lines from the top of the semicircular part of the muzzle to the nose and lightly draw the ears. Be aware of changes in shading and plane and mark distinct boundaries, especially around the eyes. Step 3. Look beyond the outline. The third step in learning to draw a dog requires that we look beyond the outline and draw the bumps and fur. Start drawing the body, and if the photo of a dog is the one of the sitting animal, start drawing the shape of its body. The key to turning it into a realistic drawing is to look closely, think, and draw the lines with the utmost confidence. Step 4. Indicate the shadows and fill in the colors. When learning how to draw, especially how to draw a dog, there is always the element of enlightenment. If the light is coming from the top right, one should make sure that the part of the animal in the bottom left is colored in a darker shade. It is a good idea to emphasize the dog's eyes and shade in the shadows.